Hi everyone, today is 15th July 2020 and today I decided to take my weight. Let's see what is my weight. It's 82.1 kgs in spite of the running and walking I've been doing. So friends, from today I've decided to walk 6 kilometers every day for the next 30 days. I'll be back here again with part 2 of this video on 15th August 2020. So the idea is to see what will be the effect on my weight if I walk 6 kilometers every day for the next 30 days. Yes, some days I'll be walking more than 6 kilometers, but never below 6 kilometers. So that will be my endeavor. So every day 6 kilometers minimum. So minimum 180 kilometers in the next 30 days. And I want to see what will be the result on my weight. Can this reduce by at least 1 kg or a couple of kgs? Well, a couple of kgs I'll be very happy. But let's see. I basically wanted to have an experiment to see what will be the effect of only walking. Because in the last 5 years, I have been running a lot. And I did manage to keep my weight around this 78, 79 mark. But it was not going further down than that. So now with walking, I want to see what will be the effect on my weight, and that is consistent walking, because my running has not been consistent, even though I have run 20 marathons in the last 5 years. 3 of them were full marathons and the rest were half marathons. But I guess that was not enough to reduce the weight. So now I'll take up this walking challenge to see how much I can reduce. I've decided to walk for a couple of reasons. Reason one, because of COVID, it is advisable to wear a mask whenever you are outside your home. But wearing a mask and running is not advisable, as this is not good for your lungs. The second reason is now it is monsoon season and you can find the roads are not in very good condition. There are ditches with water, you never know, and then the pavements are slippery. So you don't want to injure yourself and land in the hospital, and this is not the right time to go to any hospital. So walking is the best option, that's what I thought, and also this is the best time to go in for an experiment. So this is in and around Hiranandani Powai. This is where I usually go for my runs. The roads here are reasonably good, and there are also a few places where there is up gradient. So it is a good place to train for marathons. Powai is a place where you find many beautiful gardens, and the gardens have all opened up from the last 2 or 3 weeks, and you can see people are running and walking around in the gardens. But I prefer to walk on the road. Even before, I never used to run in the garden, and I always prefer to walk on the roads or run on the roads. And now even more so, because I don't want to go to places where there are a lot of people and risk COVID infection. But if the garden is relatively empty, there's no harm in walking around in the garden. This is also a good place for a walk. So we'll come back to my challenge again, and we'll see you again on 15th August 2020 with the result of my walking. Let's see how it goes. And until then, see you, stay safe and keep fit. Thank you. Bye.